I maybe should just ask right off the bat how surprised you were about the stock price reaction.
Well, it was a great time, but I have to tell you, when we went public about 4 years ago in 2021, our stock price was $44. So we're back to being here. But since then, we've more than tripled the top line of the company. Our gross margins went from about 24% to record over 40%, and we went from losing money to making money. So a lot of great stuff has happened, but it's the end of the beginning, as Winston Churchill said, and we've got a lot of great stuff to come.
Randy, it maybe is worth telling our viewers and listeners what Xometry does for those people who don't know. You, in essence, are a marketplace, right, for specialty products and materials and industrial goods. What exactly is the outlook for that industry like right now, given all of the uncertainty around trade and policy?
Yeah, great, Dom. So we're an AI-powered marketplace connecting buyers and suppliers of custom manufacturing. So this is a huge market, heavily fragmented, opaque, lack of information, and has historically been an analog market. So we've been digitizing and we've been using AI to speed up that connection between buyer and supplier and to enhance, create agility, speed up production cycles, reduce costs, reduce lead times. And it's a giant industry. So even as the macro hasn't been terrific over the last couple of years, Xometry's continue to gain robust market share because our business model, the marketplace approach powered by AI, is a superior one, and more customers are flocking to it.
The marketplace approach is one that's been adopted, obviously, by many people in terms of industries over the last several decades now. It's like the bazaar, right? Going there and finding everything you could possibly find. Is this a situation where the globalization of this type of specialty product is one that's a tailwind for a company that does the digitization of these types of products?
It's a great question, and absolutely, digitization, that was already a secular shift, and as you pointed out, that's happened in so many other industries, so it makes sense that it's happening in manufacturing. But it's really AI now that's become the force multiplier. And so when you add that AI as a force multiplier, and you add some of this global geopolitical, issues that we're having, that's accelerating that trend towards marketplace approaches and to the digitization.